Hello everyone. I hope that all of you have been doing really good. Today in this particular presentation I will talk about the AGS Transact IPO, and in this particular presentation we will do the analysis and the valuation of the IPO segment which has been coming for the AGS Transact. So now without wasting any further moment of time, now let's start our video. So we'll begin our presentation with the introduction. AGS Transact Technologies Limited is one of the India's leading omni-channel payment solutions providers. It is the second largest company in India in terms of the revenue from ATM managed services and the larger deploy of POS terminals at petroleum outlets in India. It not just serves Indian market but also explain internationally in northern Asian countries like Sri Lanka, Cambodia, Singapore, Indonesia and Philippines. So the now let's talk about the competitive strengths of the company. An integrated omni-channel payment and cash solution provider, diversified product portfolio, customer base and revenue stream, strong capabilities to develop, customize in-house solution, long-standing relationships with the global technology providers, strong in-house infrastructure and technological capabilities. So now let's talk about the summary of the financial information we have is the consolidated financial information for the company. So in this particular slide we have is the total assets, total revenue and profit after tax, and we'll be comparing with the 3 years figure, that is from 2020 to 2021. Okay, so we can see that the at the initial we can see there is a growth in the total asset segments that the company has purchased, added new assets to its balance sheet from 2020 to 2021. From 22 to 29 figure we have already we have in this figure, and the total revenue also got increased from 18,335 to 17,971, and it drastically got decreased because of the operations and because of the pandemic. And we can see the profits of the company was quite really impressive in the 2020, but it came gradually down to 547.92, and in the 2021 the profit was in the negative part. So this was all about the summary of the financial information of the company. So what's the objective of the company? Why the company has been raising the IPO? The IPO aims to utilize the net proceed for the following objectives: to carry out an offer for the sale by the selling shareholders, to realize the listing benefits of equity shares on the stock exchange. So basically these are the two main objectives of releasing the IPO. So now we will talk about the some IPO details regarding when is the opening date and the closing date. So the opening date is of 19th of January 2021 2022, and the IPO closing date will be January 21 2022. Issue type is book built issue IPO, and face value is rupees 10 per equity share, and the IPO price will be 166 to 175 per equity share, and the market lot is 85 shares, and the minimum quantity is also 85 per shares, listing at BSE and NSE. So this was all about the details of the ASIC transfer, and we have already discussed its open date 19th of January, and it will close on 21st of January 2022, and the basis of allotment will be made on 27th of January, and the initiation of refunds will get started from 28th of January, and credit of shares to demat account will be 31st of January 2022. So and the IPO will finally